impact of Brexit has warned that a borough in East London faces the prospect of losing skilled workers and investment. However, Tower Hamlets has also been told there could be an upside too in more jobs and training opportunities for local people. Well, Mark Ashdown has been to the borough to hear the concerns and listen to those who are more hopeful.
Brick by brick, the latest building project in Tower Hamlets takes shape. Construction relies heavily on EU workers, with many already heading home as Brexit looms. There's a shortage.
We are having to pay a little bit more because of the labour shortages.
The boss here also runs a property portfolio and has cut rents as demand for supply dries up. He'd happily employ more local workers once they're trained up.
We don't necessarily look at where we're employing them from, but we look at the skill set. So if we have a plumber, if they've got the skills and they've got the experience, we take them on. It's not a problem.
Doesn't matter where.
Doesn't matter where they come from. I don't think that applies to any industry in my view. I've always believed that. If you've got the skill and you can deliver my objectives, then you're welcome on board.
The Commission spent 4 months gathering evidence to assess the likely Brexit impact. It found since the referendum the hospitality, retail and public sectors have seen change. Some businesses report a revenue fall of up to 30%. 46% of the borough's economy is from financial services, so ensuring big firms in Canary Wharf can keep trading with Europe via passporting is essential. And 41,000 EU citizens live in the borough. Changes to immigration could lead to skills gaps, but may also present opportunities for local people.
What is it that you'd love to do for the rest of your life?
There are still plenty of unfilled job vacancies in the borough. Schemes like this Women in Healthcare workshop aim to equip people with the skills to take them up.
Well, I think being on this scheme, because there's so much support, is just given me a real boost. So I've got more confident about being able to get back into that sort of sector.
I do feel optimistic that there will be more opportunities out there once I'm in.
I lost my confidence. I hadn't done an application form in so long and found out about WorkPath, and I have to say from the minute I walked in the door they were just hugely helpful and supportive.
I think now we're in a really good position to be able to sort of understand what we need to do. So whichever kind of deal we end up getting or no deal, we know now where our weaknesses are, where our strengths are, where our opportunities are, and Brexit can't break us in Tower Hamlets. We're resilient.
The East End one is a magical place.
Charities and voluntary groups reliant on EU grants may also be affected, and these issues extend across the capital.
It's hard to know exactly where this is all going to land up, and there's such a wide range of possibilities. So I think it's incumbent on the government, on the mayor and on individual boroughs to do the maximum they can to minimise the disruption that individuals face.
The council will use this report to lobby central government for more devolved powers to help manage change, which they say will affect every resident. Mark Ashdown, BBC London News.
The menopause is a natural part